You decide.
Hey, fan.
Yeah, hey guys. So I'm at my friend Neil's house. He works with me at the Restore, and he just moved in here. And they've got some fans here, so let's check them out. This is, I think, one of those Galleria ones that they either sold at Sears or Walmart. Low. It didn't come on low. Let me try that again. There we go. Low. Medium. High. He asked me what I thought. I didn't think these were worth much of anything, but the one in the living room I think is a little nicer. Let's go say, oh, this is performing decent. At least it's quiet, it's moving air. So no real reason to change it unless he doesn't like it or has an issue. Okay, we'll keep an eye on the spin down of that one, but we'll come over and take a look at this one. And I've seen this before, but I can't remember the brand. It looks like a Minka. Where's the switch for this one, Neil?
Right here.
Where's... Oh, that's interesting. It's in the wall. It is a Minka. So it's literally right below it. Low. There's an up light and a down light?
I don't really know.
There's a button for up light, but it's not doing anything. So maybe there isn't an up light. Either that or it's burned out. You know what an up light is, though, right?
No, I don't.
So there might be... Wait, is that... Oh, those other lights are on the... They wired those in. That's interesting. Here's high. Oh, I can feel some heat coming down. So there might be a light on top of the motor facing up at the ceiling and burned out.
Okay.
Let's see how we're doing over here. We're still spinning down. So if there is that, that can be a nice like ambient light.
For sure.
But all I can tell you is that the control says there is one. I don't know if there actually is one in the... So let's turn that fan back off. How do we... Yeah, and with the vaulted ceiling, it's probably a good idea just to keep it on low to push the heat down.
For sure.
Because when I turned it on high, I could feel like a gust of heat come down at me. So my phone's kind of acting like it won't focus. I'm going to see if it's... We'll edit that in post. I always say that, but I never actually do any editing. That still doesn't... Oh, that one stopped. I meant to catch the spin down on that one. Well, thanks, Neil, for sharing your ceiling fans with us.
I'm happy to share
So,
fans with the world.
I told him if he wanted more ceiling fans or to change these, you know, he knows where to come. We get plenty of them. This one's particularly nice, though.
Nice.
Not my style, a little modern for me, but...
Very modern.
Yeah, but if that's what you like, then there you go. Because you guys had that modern one at the last house, too.
Yeah.
So I think that must be the thing. See, that could be a fan there. It's kind of a nice light, though. Anywhere else that could be a fan? Let's see. He needs one in his room. He doesn't have one there.
Yeah, the fan in my in the upstairs room.
Yeah, we won't bother them. Right. Yeah, I don't know why my phone's not focusing. That's interesting. That's a skylight there.
Yeah.
I don't know if people that watch my videos have seen those before. They're kind of cool. Okay, well, there you have it. Thanks for watching.